Hi everyone, this is Balázs from RacingBrick. I've received a package from LEGO. This shouldn't be breaking news, it happens a lot when review sets arrived. It's just that these aren't regular review sets. In fact, I have absolutely no idea what's inside. All I know is that it's a gift, thank you LEGO, and the theme which was probably given away by the cover photo and the title. But let's open the cardboard box and see what's inside. Okay, this is really impressive. A cool looking custom LEGO Sonic mystery box. It has a great design all around with all these characters. I think it's time to open this one too. Are you excited? To be honest, I'm a little nervous. Okay, it didn't explode, that's good. Oh, wow. The design here is pretty impressive. Oh, look, how cool is that? Wait, let's put this on my photo table so you can see it better. This is the brand new Dr. Eggman minifigure. Now let's dig deeper. Oh wow, all new Sonic sets are here, I didn't expect that. I did a preview video of these sets at the reveal, they have some cool, exciting new pieces that I'm dying to check out. But wait, there's a letter in there. It looks menacing. It says, "Hello, what a lovely surprise, isn't it? Because you don't deserve anything from that annoying rodent. Here's my very own LEGO minifigure. The last brick-built version of me was subpar, so this is my beautiful comeback." Well, yeah, I mean it wasn't that bad, but the fig definitely looks better. But wait, there's more. You can find my highly technological mech robot in one of the boxes. Use it to take Sonic down. Well, yeah, mechs are always cool, can't wait to build that one. I also tossed in some LEGO bricks for you to hashtag make LEGO Sonic more Eggman. Remove his blue quills, add the mustache, do whatever you fancy and just upload it to the LEGO Ideas challenge page. Time to let the world know about my awesomeness. Intelligently yours, Dr. Eggman. P.S. I hate that hedgehog. Okay, I'm not sure I really want to be on Team Eggman, but a challenge is a challenge, let's see those boxes. So why do they have all these ugly stickers on them? That's weird. And they feel weird too. Maybe too light? Okay, this is really not what I expected. Come on, I really wanted to try this loop. So, apparently I got a whole bunch of different bricks, thank you Dr. Eggman, and the only set that really has the right content is this one with the Death Egg robot. At least it has the launcher and the speed swear I can try out. But I also have a challenge to complete, so I'm going to try my best to create a build that satisfies Dr. Eggman. Stay tuned for the next update and don't worry, in the meantime you can also expect my regular reviews, so hit that thumbs up button if you like the content around here, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications for more exciting LEGO videos. See you next time, bye bye.